Just over the elevator here at Macy's, Belden Village Mall, Canton, Ohio. This is another retake. This is one of my favorite vectors. Let's go to. Here we go. Here too. Let's go one. Good cap view. Very nice for a Macy's. 2,500 pound capacity. Here's the phone. Here one. Let's go back up to two. Door closes wide, push the button. There we go. Here two. Let's go to one. Thing's still running fantastic. This is one of my favorite vectors. My favorite elevator at this mall. Here one. Watch it close. And that's it.